Sequences. A sequence is a function whose domain is a set of positive integers. Each corresponding value is called a term of the sequence. Terms of the sequence: f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of n, or a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub n. Find the first 5 terms of the sequence of the given formula. A sub n equals 2 times the quantity n minus 7. So, a sub 1 equals 2 times 1 minus 7, which is 2 times negative 6, which is 12. A sub 2, 2 times 2 minus 7 equals 2 times negative 5 equals negative 10. A sub 3, 2 times 3, notice those match, minus 7 equals 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8. A sub 4, 2 times 4 minus 7 equals 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. A sub 5 equals 2 times 5 subtract 7, which equals 2 times negative 2, which equals negative 4. The next 5 terms, negative 12, negative 10, negative 8, negative 6, negative 4. A sub n equals negative 1 to the n divided by 2 times n minus 1. Remember, n is the number of terms. So this will be 1, 1, 1, then 2, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 3, then 4, 4, 4, then 5, 5, 5. Every place there's an n, we put the number of the term. Okay? So, start over here. A sub 1, let's get another color here. A sub 1 equals negative 1 to the first power divided by 2 times 1 minus 1. So that gives me negative 1 over 2 minus 1, negative 1 over negative 1, over positive 1 equals negative 1. Okay. A sub 2 is negative 1 squared over 2 times 2 minus 1, which equals negative 1 squared is 1 over 4 minus 1, which is 1/3. A sub 3, negative 1 to the third power, 2 times 3 minus 1, negative 1 over 6, subtract 1, negative 1 over 5. A sub 4, negative 1 to the 4th power over 2 times 4 minus 1. Negative 1 to the 4th is 1 over 8, subtract 1, which gives me 1/7. A sub 5, negative 1 to the 5th power over 2 times 5 minus 1. That equals negative 1. 10 minus 1, negative 1 over 9. Next 5 terms, negative 1, 1/3, negative 1/5, 1/7, negative 1/9. Okay. Next, number 2. Write the next 3 terms of the sequence. Find a formula for the nth term, then find a 12. All right. So let's see. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. I know they're getting smaller. So let's see. The first term, this is the first term, is 1. Second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. These are my ends. These match up. So my formula is going to be 1 over n. Find a to the 12th. That gives me 1/12. Next 3 terms. Well, that's 5 would be 1/6, 1/7, and 1/8. Next 3 terms right here. Find the formula right here. Find a to the 12th right here. What's happening here? This is my first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So let me see here. 1 plus 2 is 3. Let's see. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. That doesn't work. Let's see. Well, let's see. These are going up by 2's, right? So that helps. I know that a 2 is involved in this. Let's see. What else do we have here? Also, 5 subtract 3 is 2. 7 subtract 5 is 2. 9 subtract 7 is 2. So let's see. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. I think I've got it. So the next three terms are 11, 13, and 15. And my formula is 2 times the term plus 1. A sub 12 is 2 times 12 plus 1. 24 plus 1. A sub 12 is 25.